Hey guys, I am Dr. A.K. Venkatachalam from Madras Joint Replacement Center. Today we are talking about gels in photography and videography. Today I am going to show you how colored gels like these can be used in videography. I am going to show you how to change the background with colored gels. Although there are many applications of using colored gels in videography, I will be talking specifically about their use to change the background. Right now I am recording against a blue background. These gels are also known as color filters. I bought a bunch of them at a stationery shop in Chennai and they cost me about 20 rupees. I will show you how to set up a background screen, light up the screen with LED softboxes, illuminate the subject, that is me. This is the backdrop. I've hung up a white sheet on a backup stands. There are two soft boxes at the sides. The one to your right has got a pink filter dangling and a yellow filter at the bottom. The one on the left here has got a yellow filter. That's a ring light below and it has got a yellow filter. And that was one soft box. And that was another soft box. To begin with, I hung a white colored cloth on a backdrop stand behind me. I have clipped it securely at the top and at the sides with clips. I ensured that the room lights behind me, behind the backdrop, are turned off. Then I positioned two soft boxes to the sides with daylight Philips bulbs and a ring light just behind me at the center here. LED bulbs are of 23 watts each and 6500 lumens with a CRI rating of 85. I am standing at a distance of about 3 feet from the screen. I have fastened two doubled up blue colored gels like these over the soft boxes and also on the central ring light. I am being illuminated by two soft boxes. I am recording this with my Samsung Note 20 Ultra camera using the native camera. I have chosen blue color filters for this occasion, but I will show you the use of more colors. I have got about a half a dozen filters with me. Now I am going to show you some more applications. I will change the color to yellow. I have now fastened yellow color sheets to all the three lights with clips like these. Very simple. Now I have three sources of yellow light on the backdrop, two from the soft boxes and one from the central ring light behind me. Instead of having a monotonous color on both the sides, I can also try a mix and match of the colors. I'm going to just leave yellow to one side and put maroon on the other side now. Now you can see that I have got a pink color on this side over here in this area, and this area here is yellow, and behind me there is yellow. So you can have a mosaic of colors on the backdrop. You can also put two sheets one over the other. For example, I could stack this red color and this blue color, and that would give a really fabulous different kind of a shade, different kind of a hue. So you can experiment with a variety of colors. It doesn't cost much. These sheets allow light to pass very easily. I have doubled them up to get a darker hue. These sheets are very light and they can't be torn, but they are susceptible to heat damage and inflammable. So one should be careful and not attempt to put them over halogen light. It's okay to put them over soft boxes with LED lights which are very cool. They can be rolled up or folded and stored away. So I hope you found some value in this video. If you did, consider subscribing to my YouTube channel Madras Joint Replacement Center MJRC. Give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, click the bell icon to receive notifications after you have subscribed. I will see you in the next video. Cheers.